Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am doing another tutorial with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. So there are so many looks you can do with this palette, and last time I did kind of a warm tone rose smoky eye, kind of perfect for spring and on the warm side, and so today I am doing a cool tone rose smoky eye. So I'm using a little bit more of the blacks and cooler tones than like the browns and golds. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. As always, I'm starting with my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the color Eden, and this will just lay the base for the rest of the colors and make them more vibrant and help them last all day long. While I wait for that primer to dry, I'm going to take a little bit of the Eyestudio Perfecting Powder and put this under my eyes because the ABH palettes do tend to have some fallout, and I just want to make sure it's easy to wipe away after. So here I am just blending in the now tacky primer and just making sure that it's all smooth. Jumping into the beautiful Soft Glam palette, I am starting with their lightest color Tempera as a base all over my eyes, and this will help to also set that primer and make sure that the colors don't skip. For the first color, I'm going in with the Dusty Rose. This is a nice light transition shade, and I'm using a Luxie blender brush to start working some color on our eye and transition from light at the top to dark in the crease. And to start the crease, I'm going in with Sienna, and this will start to darken up our crease. So I am using the other side of this Luxie Duo, and this is a more compact blending brush to start working into that crease. Then I'm going in with Mulberry, and this is a darker mulberry color to really help define that crease and working it in the outer corner of the eye. To make sure we're not getting any harsh lines, I am taking this Glamour Dolls blending brush, and this is clean, so I'm just using small circular motions to really help blend those colors all together and mix the product around. Then I'm taking Noir. This is the darkest color. Obviously it is a midnight black, and this is a really beautiful matte black, and it will just darken up that crease. So I'm taking a really tapered blending brush to work that in tight along the crease line and in the outer corner to really give us some definition. Then again, going back in with that Glamour Dolls brush and really working all those colors together. So this will help blend that black into the mulberry shades and really help kind of dilute it. If you want the colors darker, you can go over them again. Then in the middle, I'm going in with Sultry. This is a beautiful foiled kind of deep rose color, and I'm just using my finger because that applies better than a brush, and just dabbing it right onto the center of my eye to pack on all the color. Next, I'm going in with Rose Pink. This is another kind of foiled color in this palette, and I'm using that again on my finger on the inner third of my eye, and this will help keep it a nice cool tone look. And then to deepen that crease back up a little bit, I'm going over it again with the Mulberry and then the Dusty Rose, just to bring a little bit of color that we might have washed out during the blending. And yet again, I'm taking that clean blending brush to make sure it all melts together. I'm using Tempera again to clean up anything that might have gotten too high on our brow and finish off the look. And now we're ready to wipe away the bake. So I'm taking a big fluffy powder brush and just wiping all that under eye bake and making sure that it gets all of the eyeshadow fallout with it so it doesn't smear across our face. I'm taking the Dusty Rose to start the lower lash line and using a smudger brush to just kind of line my lower lashes. And to really bring some definition back, I'm using the color Noir on a detailed definer brush, and I'm working this as close to the lower lash line as possible to darken that up. Next, I'm taking a bigger detailed brush, and I am just smudging that all together so that it really blows out that lower lash line and blends it. Then I'm taking the color Glistening and just working this onto the inner tear duct and a little bit on the lower inner third of my eyelashes and on my brow bone for a little bit of highlight. For eyeliner today, I'm using the Maybelline Eyestudio Gel Pot and a really thin eyeliner brush and just working this along the lower lash line. And for mascara, I'm using the Colossal Volume Express by Maybelline. This is a waterproof, but I absolutely love it. And I'm not doing false lashes today, so instead I did multiple coats of mascara. Next, I'm taking the Tarte Blush Palette in this kind of cool tone mauve color to match our eye look, and just stamping this on with a Luxie brush. And for bronzer, I'm using the Hoola bronzer, and this was a little sample I got from Ulta, and I really liked the bronzer, so I am just applying this to my cheeks and forehead to warm up the area and then blending it out with a flat top brush. For highlight, I'm going in with that Liquid Glow Though by Trust Fund Beauty, and I'm just using a damp beauty blender to stamp this onto the upper part of my cheek. You can see that shimmer. This is a really foiled one. And then going along my Cupid's bow and on the bridge of my nose and blending that all out. For lips today, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills color Crush, and I am just applying this to my lips. It's a nice matte liquid lipstick that stays all day. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. This is the final look, so I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!